Hello, smart data learners. Uh, Today we will discuss something different than our usual technical topics on the business intelligence and data analysis. Basically, today is also related to indirectly or directly to what our main goal is to make data analysis and business intelligence related topics and trainings and understanding easier for non-technical people. So, let's go to our topic today. Basically, today's topic we will discuss is the recent the US stock markets, stock prices, volatility due to Chinese um, uh, uh, Chinese app, namely DeepSeek. Basically, DeepSeek is I have tried that and I liked it, and it's very similar to ChatGPT, and I've done uh, uh, some I asked some questions about different topics, and I was impressed by the DeepSeek. I even thought that it's very similar to ChatGPT. But the reason it has impacted the US stock tech prices because uh, in the United States, the prices, the cost of these, what we have heard and read in the newspapers, they have spent a lot of money on developing these apps like ChatGPT, and like they have spent billions of dollars, I think, what they have reported. But this DeepSeek was developed with, I think, $5 to $10 million, and that's the reason the stock prices are impacted because people have no our general persons uh, like confidence on the tech stock prices in the US has shaken because they thought that they're spending so much money and the same app is very cheaply available. So that was the main reason. So let's look into further into that. What happened? uh, as reported in various newspapers and all that. Uh, the unveiling of DeepSeek, a Chinese AI chatbot, basically similar to ChatGPT, has had a significant impact on U.S. stock markets, particularly within technology sector. So DeepSeek's AI model is capable of delivering performance on par with existing chatbots like say ChatGPT, while requiring substantial fewer computational resources and costs. That was the critical reason that it has impacted the prices of the tech stocks in the US. The breakthrough has forced investors to reassess the competitive landscape of AI technology, leading to notable market reactions. So, what are the market reactions? So, market reactions after the introduction of the DeepSeek is Nvidia, a major supplier of graphic processing units (GPUs). I've heard that name of that company, and they manufacture graphic processing units essential for AI development. So a sharp drop in its stock prices, which declined about 17%. This marked one of the largest single day loss in company's history, wiping out hundreds of billions in market capitalization. So basically, the stock prices have gone down, and the people who have invested in these stocks, they lost money. So the reason basically is that their processing units are being used in the chat GPT and other AI AI related softwares, but the new software which is DeepSeek, which has been developed as a reportedly very low price processing units or very few processing units. So that's why their stocks are impacted. Secondly, broader tech sector impact. So in general, it impacted the tech sector broader, right? In a broader way. The introduction of DeepSeek triggered a sell-off across technology stocks, particularly among companies heavily invested in AI infrastructure. The major firms such as Microsoft, Alphabet, Google's parent company, and Broadcom also experienced a significant decline in their stock prices. So, investor concerns. Investors, basically those who invest in the stocks, their concern is that DeepSeek's ability to develop competitive AI model like the I have used that DeepSeek, and didn't find any difference between ChatGPT and the DeepSeek, and and the and this basically DeepSeek's ability to develop a competitive AI model with fewer resources. That's the key. They have developed it with very few resources. Challenge long held and challenges They have challenged the long held belief that the success in AI requires massive capital investment in expensive hardware and infrastructure. This shift is this shift in perspective has led investors to question the valuation of US stock giants that have heavily relied on costly AI developments, contributing to broader market downturn. So that's why they questioned that why you are spending so much money, and why. So it means the prices of the stocks are not real. These are the U.S. stock prices are artificially like overstated, because the same product is available at the fraction of the cost of what you are spending so much money. So that was the reason their stock prices have gone down. That's major news all over the uh, world. The potential of what is the positive outlook? Despite the initial shock, some industry analysts believe that the emergence of more cost-effective AI model uh, could ultimately benefit the technology sector. So basically, that is good for AI technology sector, because now they found the ways to have a cheaper softwares with cheaper which uses cheaper resources. So that will a positive impact on the AI technology, right? By reducing the financial burden of AI development, companies may have more flexibility to invest in other areas. So they can divert their assets to the different areas, potentially leading to increased shareholder returns, etc. Over time, the market may come to view this shift as a net positive for innovation and efficiency in the AI industry. So basically, that will definitely, I myself believe that if something is very costly, it will be out of reach for many people. But now, Chinese DeepSeek technology have demonstrated that the same product can be developed at a very low price. So it will be within the reach of many talented people, many intelligent people, and that will have a positive impact. So what's the conclusion? The conclusion is the launch of DeepSeek has prompted a major re-evaluation of AI industry dynamics, leading to immediate turbulence in US tech stocks. So basically, it has people started thinking, like the investor now started thinking, are they spending the money right? Because if, for example, if one car automobile is available in China for $5,000, and the same is in US, the same in the US is $35,000. So why they spend $35,000? Why don't they spend $5,000? The same is in the AI technology. So that's how in the long term it it will positively impact the AI technologies, emerging AI technologies, and more efficient AI development and fundamental shift in the investment strategies within the sector. So basically, that's the reason why many people, the investors, have they just spend based on what the technical people say to them, that's what they need, and that's how uh, they spend so much money in that, whereas the same product can be or same app can be developed at very low resources. So that's why I always emphasize on the data literacy, because when we have the tech, for example, in general, it's not related to that, but in even in when I am working in an organization or different companies, when we go to the technical department, they give us a lot of reasons that this data tasks related tasks will take that much time, and we have to do that and so on. That's why we need to learn, and the basically what our goal is to learn some data analytics and related on our own. So entrepreneurs or like the managers should know how these technology works. For example, we should know the SQL language and the technology. So we should be able to do it on our own with our own hands to extract the data and all that, so that we should not have to blindly rely on technology people what they say. So that's, I think, the same thing is with the AI sector now. The big companies are saying that they are spending so much money, and that is the stock prices. People, but but now the same products are developed at a very low price. So that is, I think, we should be well aware of what's going on in the technology sector, and we should also learn some. We should start, if those who want to enter into this. Uh, what our channel is about is entering into the data analytics. We should learn it and enter into that, and uh, and that will be very helpful and useful, so that we have a first-hand knowledge. So I hope that's I was able to convey my message that uh, uh, that we should be well aware of the new technologies, as well as we should have hands-on experience on the products. So that's all for about today's video. Thank you very much, and if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.